Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is our body's way of clearing irritants from our nose or throat. When dust, pollen, smoke, or germs tickle the sensitive lining of our nasal passages, our brain signals a rapid response. Our diaphragm contracts, our lungs fill with air, and a burst of air and particles shoot out at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. This reflex helps protect our respiratory system from invaders. Why do our eyes blink? On average, we blink about 15 to 20 times per minute. Firstly, blinking protects our eyes from irritants like dust, dirt, and smoke. Secondly, blinking also protects our eyes from bright lights. Thirdly, blinking spreads a layer of tear film over our eyes, which contains nutrients and antibodies that keep our eyes healthy and moist. Lastly, especially during screen time, blinking also gives us brief mental breaks, helping with our focus and reducing eye strain.